Hey, it's Tracy from Dusha Motors. I'm on the used lot today, and if you're looking for a really good family vehicle, this 2019 Dodge Caravan might be your answer. It's gray in color, it's a 7-passenger, it is a GT. Back here we've got a tow package, reverse sensing. Your tow package, you can tow about 3,600 pounds. It is a power lift gate, which we're going to show you here. This takes a little time. Can't be in a hurry with this thing. Opens up. So you can see it's almost like a stow and go. There's lots of room here. I won't fold these down, but they do fold down nicely. All right. As we walk around here, we're going to put that down. The van does have brand new tires on it. We've done a full service on it, inspection. Everything is good. This van has the powered doors, which is super handy. Oh, I think I opened the wrong side, but we'll try this one. Again, you got to have patience. So let's have a look inside. Let's get right into it. It's got nice leather seats, bucket second row. Of course, you got 3 people in the 3rd row. We're going to hop in here really quick. This van only has 97,000 kilometers, so this is got lots of life left for your family. They're great for big long trips, everything like that. It's got heated seats, heated steering wheel, air cruise, tilt power windows, power locks, all the goodies that you would like in your minivan. Also, we got a little surprise back here. We do have a DVD entertainment center, so you can have quiet ride with your children or adults that you're carrying around. It does come with the headphones, so each kid gets one, nice and quiet. All right, so for more information on this sweet van, give me a shout, 780-826-3278.